From sand to strength, the incredible journey of tempered glass. Glass, a material so common, yet so vital to modern life. From smartphone screens to skyscraper windows, tempered glass is everywhere. But how is it made so strong, so safe, and so clear? Today, we go inside the fascinating process of tempered glass manufacturing, where science meets craftsmanship. All glass begins with a simple yet powerful recipe: sand, soda ash, and limestone. These raw materials are heated to extreme temperatures, over 1,700 degrees Celsius, 3,092 degrees Fahrenheit, to form molten glass. Once molten, the glass is carefully cooled and shaped into flat sheets. High-tech rollers ensure uniform thickness, essential for safety and performance. Tempered glass earns its strength through an intense heating and cooling process. The glass is reheated to around 620 degrees Celsius, 1,148 degrees Fahrenheit, and then cooled rapidly by blasts of high-pressure air, a process called quenching. The outer layers cool faster, locking the inner layers in tension. This creates a glass that is up to 5 times stronger than standard glass. Strength is one thing, safety is another. Unlike ordinary glass, tempered glass shatters into small, blunt fragments instead of sharp, dangerous shards. From automobile windshields to high-rise facades and even the screen on your phone, tempered glass is the invisible shield of modern life. The future of tempered glass is brighter and stronger than ever. New technologies like smart glass and ultra-thin composites are already redefining how we see and protect the world around us. From simple sand to engineered safety, tempered glass is a triumph of science and design. The next time you look through a window or tap your phone screen, remember, you're looking at one of the strongest and safest materials on Earth.